Genesis chapter 4 verse 1 to 5. 1. Adam made love to his wife Eve, and she became pregnant and gave birth to Cain. She said, "With the help of the Lord I have brought forth a man." 2. Later she gave birth to his brother Abel. Now Abel kept flocks, and Cain worked the soil. 3. In the course of time Cain brought some of the fruits of the soil as an offering to the Lord. 4. And Abel also brought an offering, fat portions from some of the firstborn of his flock. The Lord looked with favor on Abel and his offering. 5. But on Cain and his offering he did not look with favor. So Cain was very angry, and his face was downcast. Nagkaanak sina Adan at Eva, si Cain at si Abel. Si Cain ay magsasaka at si Abel ay tagapag-alaga ng hayop. Nang maghandog sila sa Diyos, si Cain ay nag-alay ng bunga ng lupa, habang si Abel naman ay nag-alay ng pinakamainam mula sa kanyang kawan. Tinanggap ng Diyos ng may pabor ang handog ni Abel, ngunit hindi ang kay Cain. Dahil dito, nagalit at nalungkot si Cain. Hindi lang ang handog ang tinitingnan ng Diyos, kundi ang puso at tunay na pananampalataya ng naghahandog. Mahalaga ang taos pusong pagbibigay sa Diyos. Follow for more daily Bible verses.